Today we learn how to solve the linear equations using rank method. These are set of linear equations: x plus y plus z equal to 9, 2x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 52, 2x minus y minus z equal to 0. So these are a system of linear equations. So we are going to solve this using rank method. You all learned how to find the rank. So how to solve this using rank method? First step is you have to write this in the matrix form. So we have to write this in the matrix form. This is a set of linear equations. You have to write this in the matrix form. So how do you write this in the matrix form? You are going to write it as AX is equal to B. AX is equal to B. So what is matrix A? Matrix A is the coefficients, the coefficient matrix. Which are the coefficients here? 1. Can you see the coefficient of x? X is 1. 1. Coefficient of y is 1. Z is also 1. The second equation 2, 5, 7. Third 2 minus 1 minus 1. So the matrix A is the coefficient matrix 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 7, 2 minus 1 minus 1 into the matrix X. Matrix X is the unknowns, the variables. So there are three variables here: X, Y, Z. So write that variables as a column matrix: X, Y, Z. So write the X matrix. X matrix is nothing but X, Y, Z. So write as a column matrix. Then the matrix B. The matrix B is the constants. So it is 9, 52 and 0. So this is the first step. You have to write this in the matrix form. See, when you multiply, you will get this equation. Just multiply 1 into xx plus 1 into y plus 1 into z equal to 9. Matrix multiplication, you know, row, column. 2 into x, second row and first column, multiply 2x plus 5y plus 7z. So you can get the second equation. Similarly, you get the third equation. So this is another way of writing it. It is given as system of linear equations in algebraic form. We are rewriting this in the matrix form. So that's the first step. Second step is you have to write the augmented matrix. The augmented matrix. What is the augmented matrix? You have to combine the matrix A and the constants as one matrix. So how do you connect 1? So augmented matrix is written as AB. Okay, that is the augmented matrix AB. So 1, 1, that is you are expanding the matrix A by adding the matrix B. So 1, 1, 1, 9, 2, 5, 7, 52. 2 minus 1. You have to find the rank of this matrix. You have to make this as 0. You have to make this as 0. This as 0. So R2 is R2 minus 2 times R1. R3 is R3 minus 2 times R1. So you will get now 1, 1, 1, 9. So this is 2 minus 2 times. You have to multiply this by 2 and then subtract. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 2 gives you 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. 52 minus, you are multiplying by 2. So it will become 52 minus 18. That is 34. Then again here 2 minus this is 0. Then minus 1 minus 2, that gives you minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2. So that's again minus 3. 0 minus 18. You are multiplying this by 2. So 18 minus 18. Now still this is not in the echelon form because we have to make this as 0. This is 1 1 1 1 9 0 3 5 34. Just add. R3 is R3 plus R2. So what will you get now? 0 0 minus 3 plus 5 is 2. This is 16. Now this is in the echelon form. You know that all the elements below the first non-zero entry all are 0. Then below 3 also you have 0 here. So this is in the echelon form. Now we have to find the rank. So rank of, first we have to find the rank of the full matrix, the augmented matrix AB. So how many non-zero rows are there? 1 2 3. Now you have to find the rank of A. The rank of A is this matrix alone you have to check. So once again it is 1 2 3. Rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 3, and 3 is equal to the number of variables. Sometimes you won't get 3. Here we are getting 3, that is equal to the number of variables. Variables here, there are 3 variables. If it is equal, if they are equal, rank of AB is equal to rank of A, you just write the system is consistent. If it is equal to 3, we got it as equal to 3. Sometimes you will get 2, sometimes you will get 1. If it is equal to 3, then it has a unique solution. The system has a unique solution. Now how do you find that unique solution? You have to start, you have to write this equation now. First equation is x, this is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z equal to 9. From here you should write the equations now. So x plus y plus z equal to 9. Second, there is no x here. 3y plus 5z equal to 34. 3y plus 5z is equal to 34. The last one, 2z, there is no x, no y. So 2z is equal to 16, z is equal to 8. Now substitute the z here. 3y plus 5 into 8 is equal to 34. So 3y is 34 minus 40, that is minus 6. So y is minus 2. So we got z, we got y. Then you have to find x. Take the first equation, x plus y plus z equal to 9. X minus 2 plus 8 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9, this is 6. So 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3. So we got x, y and z. X is 3, y is minus 2, z is 8. So we have solved the linear equations using rank method. We have solved the system of equations by the rank method.